Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to white out something on a PDF file or a specific area in a PDF file. This is my PDF file and I will white out this image. Now select this protect option and here you will find this white option. White out, click on this and drag your mouse cursor and draw your area. And see this, please note that whiteout cannot be undone after the PDF is saved. Are you sure? Want to continue? And select OK. And see this. Now select File option and Save or Save As and permanently white out the PDF file. Also, you can white out something like text or area and select Apply. OK. In this way, you can white out any area in your PDF file and see this. This is. And finally select this file option, save or save as PDF file. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comments.